Hello guys, welcome on our YouTube channel WebTech Bull. Guys, today we learn about how can we get direction in Google Earth. If you have two locations, so you can get the direction directly in Google, which is similar than Google Map. Okay, so guys, let's start today's video. So guys, first of all, you can see the left hand side of your screen. There are the second option, get direction. Guys, you have just click on that and then you got 2 points, okay, 2 box. One is A and the second one is B. You have to put your first location in A box and you have to put the second location in your B box. Okay, you can put name like if your A location is Pune railway station and the second location is Mumbai railway station, you can write directly Pune railway station and the second is Mumbai railway station. And also you can put the locations like in terms of lat long. Okay, so you can put both options. So guys, if I write Mumbai railway station and Pune railway, and simply you have to click get direction. So guys, you can some direction in our screen. At the left hand side of your screen you got 4 options. First is 4-wheeler like car, jeep, etc. The second one is train and the third one is walking and the fourth one is cycling. So guys, you got the 4 option. Okay, so you can also validate your option like if you got. So guys, this is the road and you will get directly this direction. So guys, you can see if you are putting a lat long, so you can also get direction from this. So guys, this is the way you can use the get direction option from your Google Earth. So guys, if you like this video, please hit on like button, subscribe our channel for more videos related Google Earth and GIS. Thanks for watching.